Hey you guys, it's Marci Sauter, the Rusty Blonde. I wanted to come on today because we are getting ready to do stone pizza ovens tonight with my mom and dad. And so I got up early and I spent an hour and a half getting our cantina ready. Not that we're gonna be eating out here. It's gonna be 115 today. We're in Arizona. But anytime we use our green egg, I really like to get the patio all spruced up and pretty again. So it's really dusty here, so I have to clean it quite often. But in the summertime, I just don't because it's dusty, you know, within a couple hours of cleaning it. So I wanted to give you a patio tour and I will show you and share with you our little cantina. We love this place. We love this space in our home. We have family dinners almost every night when the weather permits to it. We have about 8-9 months of beautiful weather, so we get a lot of time out here. But anyways, I'm going to show you what our cantina looks like and tell you what we did to create this. Okay, so I'm trying to give you the full aspect of what our patio is. So we walk out the back door and we see our awesome and amazing green egg. We love this monster. We've done a lot of cooking out here. This can here is what holds all of the wood chips that we use in our green egg. And anyways, so I'm just gonna back up and show you what it looks like. There's our double doors and then our little trash can. So I'm just gonna start at one end and move on. So this trash can was actually a laundry bin purchased from Hobby Lobby, and it did not have a knob on the top. So I went to their knob section and found a really cute knob, and my dad put that on for me. But then walking over here, so we have our green egg, and this is our infrared turkey little char grill thing. That's awesome too. It tastes like fried food without it being fried. And then here's our monster grill. This was gifted to us from my aunt. She had sold her house and had no need for it and asked if we wanted it, and of course we would. I have this little antique box with a little vase, and my little fig trees. I think they're fig trees. But anyways, I love them. You guys, we have so many memories on this patio already, and we haven't even had it for a year yet. But this is a little just table in front of my window there. Most of this furniture was purchased off of Amazon just because I priced it out at different places that had the same items, and Amazon was the best price. So look how cute this is. I got this wooden ladder, this gorgeous quilt. Oh my gosh, you guys, I had so much fun doing this patio. For years, I wanted a cantina, and we had a plan to put it, I'm gonna swing out here. We had a plan, there's my dog talking to his friends, but we had a plan, this is our backyard, and we had a plan to build like a 12-foot by 10-foot cantina in the back of our house. And we just haven't, because first of all, that would cost thousands of dollars. It requires moving the sprinkler system and all of that. So one day, I think last October, I was like, oh my God, we need to just create our cantina on our patio. And you know what? I just hand drew out what I wanted, and I kind of had it visualized in my head. And you guys, in 2 days, I made it happen. I just started buying the furniture a little bit by bit, and then I put it all together in one weekend. So this is our gorgeous, fun table. I just love the decor out here. You might recognize some of it. I use a lot of this space when the weather's nice for videoing and stuff. But then I have another antique box. My parents found that for me. If you watched my coffee bar video setup, they got it at that same antique shop that they got my coffee sign at. And then this shutter wall Okay, behind this wall, if you can see the top there, we have a big toy hauler, and it was always just an eyesore. And these shutters, we have a store here called Stardust, and they basically, you call this company and for free, they will come take down your old stuff. And, you know, for people who are who are redoing their interior or exterior, and they have the items and they come remove it and then they sell it for dirt cheap in their store. So it's kind of like just a big warehouse with a bunch of house stuff. But this is so cool, you guys. This is our bar, and I'm gonna show you. Look at this. Okay, first of all, this is like my favorite thing out here. Spooning leads to forking. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a bar. So it opens up. I have stuff on it, so I have to move it slow. But this opens up. So when we have parties, I'll show you what it looks like. This is a removable tub, and it's big. It's so big. There's the bottom. But this is a removable tub. You can put ice in it and beverages, and now I'm gonna back up so you can see the whole setup. How cool is that? This is another piece that Bed Bath & Beyond, I think Kohl's, and a couple other places offered, but you guys, Amazon was the best price for it. So anyways, that is a really fun piece. And then these shutter walls, okay, so I bought all of these individual shutters, and they have like 50% off days or whatever, so they were dirt cheap. Some of them were $10. I think the most expensive one was like $13. So I measured my space. I started these shutters years ago, probably 10 years ago. As I said, we had a vision to build this cantina in the back, and I really wanted this multicolored shutter wall. But anyways, so I spent the money. I bought some chalk paint, some antique glaze, and I just started painting them. And it turned out amazing. My husband just built a little frame for the back. So here's what it looks like over here. And then this bar here, this is the same thing. This was a giant door that I bought for like, I think 40 bucks. And my husband and brother-in-law worked their butts off and cut it down and made me a bar out of it. I love it. Got these stools, another cute little fig tree there. And yeah, we really enjoy our space. Back there is our tortoise pen and little garden. And then this plastic table here was our old table that we had on our patio. And we decided we keep it there because we move it right here during football season, and we've had a TV out here and everything. And then those chairs, we have a portable fire pit that we put right there at the end. And in the winter time, me and the kids will come out here, and my husband, of course, and just hang out. So this is our backyard. This is our space. We love it. You guys, it was pretty easy to do. Oh, I forgot about all my decorations. So these are just Costco lights. Costco patio lights. I think it's 3 boxes. Then I'm gonna walk and show you all of my signs because they're so cool. So I have these little flags, and then I have these little metal heart garland, and I just had a ball. Look at these little plants hanging. So much fun. This adorable pot set was purchased from my mom when we were in Mexico. I hope you guys can see my screen looks really dark, but it could be because it's so bright in the background. It's so hot. So anyways, there you have it. I love our space. Lots of memories are made out here. And so yeah, I love having little parties. We love using our green egg. anyways, good times. Okay guys, so there you have it. That is my patio cantina tour. I hope you enjoyed it. A lot of these things were purchased off of Amazon, like I mentioned before, and a lot of the decoration was purchased at, I think it's called Jack's Boulevard. It's a little shop here down in Queen Creek. Anyways, it's all handmade signs and stuff. That's where I got my spooning leads to forking and some other signs in my house. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. We love this space. I hope it inspires you to maybe create a little space for you and your family. We just love it and spend lots of time together out here. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.